In my previous YouTube video, I have demonstrated how to build your own private AI knowledge base with the help of LLM. So you go into your workspace here, under the open web UI here, you have the knowledge base data here, so that you have a lot of collection here. But all these collections is in the form of text file, But if you have a lot of level diagram, you want to build a knowledge base about your network, but you have a lot of level diagram, then you may need to, you can submit, for example, this one, you can upload an image, and let the LM to analysis. And for the Olama, there's a lot of Vision LM that can interpret, analysis your upload image. So you can upload an image here and ask the Vision LM to analyze your image, your level diagram, and give you some text information. But how about if you have a lot of level diagram, and then you want to process all the level diagram to extract the level information and then output to the text format, in a well-format text format, so that you can easily process for building your knowledge base later. So I have a tools here. Okay, so you more this extract network information here. Okay, so it will allow you to use this several missions LM to analyze your data, and then it will the system prompt is here to analyze the network diagram and extract the following information in the structures and easy to read format. Okay, network component, connection, IP address, protocol, service, labeling, annotations, etc. Okay, by default, the you can put your level diagram here, so that I have 3 level diagram here, so that for example here, so this is a very simple level diagram here, and this is this is actually extracted from our lab course, one of the lab course level configuration, and this is another more simple. So I put these 3 network diagram here in this folder. Then I try to run this program here. So first I need to specify which LM I want to use. Okay, I will specify the for example, this LightDB here, so that it will process this image first. It will process this image first. After that, it will process another this image, Okay. So it takes a while to analyze. Okay, so after a while, it's processed all the image here, all the 3 image in this folder, and the result will be saved on this network info folder, so that you can look at this text file. Okay, it will give you the information, level component. Okay, you can compare this information with the level diagram. This one, for example, this one. Okay, let me. So that it will identify they have the internet, web server, DNS server, DMZ, broker router, etc. And then the connection, it will identify the connection. First, the internet will connect to the broadband router with the IP filtering, and the broadband router with the IP filtering connect to the public web server here, and also connect to the DNS server and DNZ the DNC connect to the mail server and also the extranet server here, mail server to the firewall here, etc. It will give you the connection here. And also because there's no IP in this diagram here, so it will say that there's no protocol, but likely it will guess likely it's to HTTP, DNS, SMP, for example. So let me look at the another. So that go into this network information here, and then see for example, this lab here, this lab information here. Okay, so we can compare this one, okay, this one. Okay, it will identify the network component and also the connection, internet router, and also identify the DMZ, the client. Also, there's no address because, and then it will also see the annotation here so that it gives the summary. So that you see that you can, if you have a lot of level diagram, you can just put into the folder and let the LLM through this program to analyze the network program, the network diagram, and give you the text information. And then you can use this text information to further to build your knowledge base here. So that this is the tools to automatically to scan your network diagram, output the extract the network information in the text file, and for the further process in your knowledge base. Okay. So I have put the let me see here. I put this code here, extract network information here, so that you can just download this Python file here and try to execute. Of course, at the back you have the Ollama running at the back to support it. Okay, if you have any suggestion for this program, or you have any better solution or suggestion for this network diagram information extraction, please leave your comment below. I'd love to hear your suggestions. Okay.